I am really excited to open up this CANNI gel nail polish set I just bought for myself. I really like this brand. I'm wearing their nail polish on my nails right now. I've been doing my own gel nails for about a year. And so here's all the colors that come with it, which is nice that you have swatches that you can be able to refer to. And this is like a really nice hard plastic. It's not just like a sheet of paper. And these are like raised nail samples. So that's cool. Or if you were doing somebody else's nails, you could show them what it would look like. And then in here is all of the polishes. They're so beautiful. What I really like about this brand is the polishes are really thick and pigmented. So like I just did this red on my nails and it took me like barely more than one coat. It's like a coat and a half. So let's try out this purple color. So thick, pigmented, really fun. Really excited to try this out. So it looks like they come with 24 colors. And then we also have Prep Dehydrator, Primer, Base Coat, Gel, like Builder Gel, Reinforced Gel, they call it here, and Diamond Top Coat. I think that might be a sparkly one. Matte Top Coat. Maybe Diamond Top Coat is just like classic shiny. Yeah, not sparkly, just shiny. So really excited to use these. I really, really like this brand. And these are really beautiful colors. It also comes with this little stand where you could put up this nail sample thing. So looks great. Excited to use these.